Bosser, happy birthday. Salamat at na-meet ko kayo ni Panji. Salamat sa mga advice, salamat sa mga libreng painom at mabuhay ka ng matagal hanggat gusto mo. Kahit si Panji na rin. Sige. Happy birthday!
Share, happy birthday. Yun lang. Bye.
Hi, Be. Happy birthday. Sobrang miss ko na kayo dyan. And always take care. God bless. And shot soonest. Love you. Mwah.
Hi Erin, happy birthday. Thank you for always being there for my wife. Nakita ko naman mag-away kayo but despite everything, your quarrels, you've stayed good friends. I hope you stay to be a good friend to her forever. Also stay as a good mother to Adam and Ashley. And syempre, pagbigyan mo naman si Mark. Happy birthday.
Hi, Cher. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you!
Wishing you good health, stay healthy, and everyday beauty.
Buisit!
Shout out kay Sir Alberto. Happy birthday sa'yo. Ang hirap talaga maging artista. Dami nagpapa-video greet. Kidding aside, happy birthday Ate Sher. Ingat ka palagi. Thank you sa lahat ng life lessons na binibigay mo sa akin. Sa lahat, I love you. More travel to us and more babies sa inyo ni Kuya Mark.
Kuya Mark, may bayad to. 500 per video greet. Charis!
Happy birthday, Cher!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Cher.
See you! Enjoy!
Tita Shay, more birthdays to come. We love you.
Happy birthday! Wishing more birthdays to celebrate with you. Salamat sa pag-ampon sa akin. And cheers to more gala!
Happy 38th birthday, Cher. Ayan, tumatanda ka na. No, actually, getting wiser, not older. I wish you the best. Enjoy your special day. Hope to see you soon. And more blessing for you. Isama na rin natin si Mark Dingil. More blessing for you guys and your family. Again, happy birthday.
Hi, Cher. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday po.
Yeah,
Great wishes.
well, wishing you the best health and habaan mong pasensya kay Panji. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday, Madam Cher. Enjoy your day and mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Yun lang. Peace.
Happy birthday, Cher. God bless.
Happy birthday, Mare. I wish good health for you and for your family. At habaan mo pa ang pasensya mo kay Tol Panji. Enjoy your day, Mare. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Mars. Wishing you all the best and more birthdays to come. Peace, y'all.
Hello, Ate Sher. Happy birthday! I wish for more bonding to us. Tapos, good health. At saka, more turok. Happy birthday again. Enjoy your day.
Hi, Cher. Happy birthday and may you have more birthdays to come. Tsaka good health for you and your family. And nakikita ko, sobrang happy kayo ni Mark at saka yung mga bata. And healthy. So, thank God for that. Tsaka, sana magkita tayo soon, di ba? Again, happy birthday.
Hello, Chair. Happy birthday. Enjoy your special day. And I wish you good health and happy life. And many blessings. Love ya.
Happy birthday, Mare. Ang wish ko sa'yo, good health for you and to your family. Enjoy your day, Mare. Enjoy.
Happy birthday, Irene. More blessings to come. Good health.
Birthday.
And Yun lang. Okay ka.
Birthday Irene. More birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, ate.
Ang message mo?
Ah.
Huwag ka na masungit, gano'n?
Ano?
Huwag ka salbahe.
Hindi. Keep safe. And thank you so much. Happy birthday again.
Sir, happy birthday. Alam mo na yon. Basta love namin si Panji. Yun lang. Kami bahala ka lagi kay Panji. Happy birthday. Hey!
Ate, huwag kang salbahe sa akin. Ano, bisa mo?
Ate, happy birthday. Thank you.
Parang labag sa kalooban mo na mag-thank you.
Hi Telshare, happy birthday. Regards kay Mark. Enjoy, sana makatagi tayo soon. Enjoy, cheers.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday,
Ace! Happy
Ace.
birthday! Magpayaman ka na magpayaman. Kami bahala sa iyo.
Happy birthday, sir. More blessings and good health to you and your family. God bless. Bye-bye.
Wala? Ayaw mo bagay ng happy birthday si ate mo?
Happy birthday, ate.
Anong message mo?
Message ko, bigyan ka pa ng habang,
Lakasan mo.
bibigyan ka pa ng long life, and, ayun lang.
Long life lang kasi. Okay.
Hello, Cher. Happy birthday. Naway ipagpalain ka pa ng buong may kapal. Maging masigla ang inyong pangatawan, buong pamilya, at ang business. Happy birthday. Pagpalain pa kayo ng buong may kapal. Happy birthday. Enjoy your special day. Bye.
Hi, Be. Happy birthday. Alam ko umiiyak ka na naman ngayon. Thank you for always being there, for listening, sa pakikinig sa mga tantrums. Thank you and I love you. Huwag ka nang umiyak. Alam ko umiiyak ka na naman ngayon. Love you.
Happy birthday, Be! Surprise! Lahat to pakana ng asawa mo. Kaya alam naming mahal na mahal ka niya. But yes, kaya ako bumubulong dahil tulog si Jamal. But happy birthday! Gustuhin ko man na nandyan ako ngayong birthday mo, pero wala akong pamasahe pa uwi. Mahirap lang ako. Charot. Always remember na nasa puso ko kayo palagi. Pinagdadasal ko kayo palagi. And ano pa bang pwede kong i-wish sa'yo? Meron ka na lahat. I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of what you have become. I'm so proud of your family. Alam ko naman na nasa tamang tao ka, na mahal na mahal ka ni Panji, na meron kayong dalawang beautiful kids. I know na happy ka. So, my wish for you is long and healthy life, and mas magkaroon ka ng peace. I'm not saying na wala kang peace, pero you know naman, as we age, we value peace more than ever. So, I love you. Happy birthday. And, sana nandyan ako, no? Pero, magsi-celebrate na lang ako. Shot ako dito para sa'yo. Send lang kita video. I love you. Mahal na mahal na mahal na mahal na mahal kita.
Happy birthday, Mommy!
That's it?
I love you, Mommy. And I hope that you have a good birthday.
Okay.
Amen.
Amen.
I love Mommy, and I hope she gets a birthday again so that we can give her some great times.
I love you, Mommy.
I love you, Mommy.
Happy birthday, Mommy.
And happy birthday, Mommy.
Thank you, Aga.
And also, I can open my eyes now in the water.
Can you say if you really love Mommy?
I really love Mommy.
Okay, thank you, Aga.
Tota, happy birthday. Yung message ko sa'yo na kasi lahat eh. Thank you for being so perfect sa ating family. At salamat sa pag-iintindi lagi sa akin dahil mabuti naman ako eh. Happy birthday ulit. Stay healthy and stay maintindihin. Love you.